Hey friends, are you new to Charlotte Mason homeschooling and wish someone could just walk you through the basics? Well, guess what? Here at Charlotte Mason for All, we have provided a special toolkit for you.
In this toolkit, we give you guidance through the following fundamental videos. What is a living book and how do I choose one? What is narration? What does a lesson look like? How do I create a weekly schedule for my student?
We've also included for you an inspirational talk to encourage your heart and to remind you that you are qualified by the Creator Himself to be the first agent in your child's education. These are all recordings from Life-Giving Motherhood, a membership for moms just like us. We invite you to come there, and we want to remind you, you could do this. We are here for you. You are not alone.
So you could just go to our shop on charlottemasonforall.com and purchase it there.
And make sure you are on our mailing list to receive a special coupon with a discount just for you.
Cut!
Right, but I feel like I'm a giant next to Erica.
What?